Welcome to Epe Lagos Nigeria. You can see this is the symbol that identifies the ancient town called Epe. This is Epe Junction. So I promised in my last video that I'm going to take you through the entire Epe to see what Epe have to offer investor currently in Lagos, Nigeria. So today I'm going to take you from Epe Junction to all the way down to Isimi, Lagos. So stay with me while we embark on this journey. But before that time, in case you are new on this channel, my name is Abraham Ishaba from Ishaba Realtor. All I do is to bring to you an affordable real estate investment in Lagos, Nigeria. And if you are buying any property, one of the things to be considered is the accessibility, which is the road network. You can see the smooth drive on Epe. Epe have one of those beautiful roads in Lagos, Nigeria today. The road network in Epe cannot be compared to any part of Lagos, Nigeria. And then that is why I needed to show you, because some of my investors have subscribed in Epe, and then most of them don't even know the road that takes them from Lekki down to Epe. Epe is located in the mix of developed and industrial activities like Alaro City, Pan-African University, the popular Dangote refinery is still on that same axis. On that same Epe, you have Epe Resort, you have St. Augustine University, you have the likes of Otedola Housing Estates, and so many more. So stay with me on this journey while we drive down to Isimi, Lagos. Alright, you can see the beautiful road. The road network is something you cannot compare to any road in Lagos, Nigeria today. It will interest you to know that Epe is going to be the residential hub of the people working in Ibeju, Lekki, because we have so many infrastructure currently ongoing in Ibeju, Lekki, such as the Dangote refinery, the Lekki deep sea port, the proposed international airport that is coming there. So all of these things, people that are going to work in all of this environment, they needed a place to stay, and that is why it is important for you to invest now in Epe. So whenever the operation starts in all of this industry, you will be the beneficiary. Like people are going to make a whole lot of money from rental income, and that is why I'm doing this video for you now. Again, all I do is to bring to you an affordable real estate investment in Lagos, Nigeria. So I take it upon myself to show you the road that takes all the way from Mayfair down to Epe. I mean entire Epe town. You know, my former video I have shown you from Mayfair down to Lekki Junction. Then I still drop another video that show you from Lekki Junction all the way down to Alaro City, where you have trade free. And this is Isimi you are seeing on your left hand here now. The white gate you are seeing there is Isimi, Lagos. So it's that massive. So we are driving through. So this video I'm going to stop it here because I don't want it to be too long. And then the next video I'm going to show you the other axes that take you all the way to Ogun State and some other neighboring community like Benin and even East. So the road that will take you to that place, I'm going to show you. So again, thank you for your time, and again, see you in my next video. Hope to see you again, because I'm here to give to you latest updates as regard affordable real estate investment in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you.